Hey there, everyone. I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from AZDrone.net. So it has been a wild ride this year, and I wanted to catch you all back up. So 1 year ago, literally 1 year ago, December 15th, I had a small problem. Apparently, I had developed quite a hernia, and it took a little bit to get properly diagnosed. After getting diagnosed, I had my hernia surgery for an inguinal hernia. I learned a new word. Um, it took a little while to get us in. It wasn't until January 18th that I actually had the surgery, and coming up to the surgery was pretty damn miserable, let me tell you. After we got the surgery done on January 18th, things started going in the right direction. Felt like I was healing appropriately, but then something happened toward the end of February. From February till just a couple of months ago, I've been dealing with some extreme pain and some odd issues. So I have what's called a varicocele as well. We will not give you the definition of that. If you're curious, you can look it up. But since December 15th, I have not been at full power. I'm still getting back there, but I do want to say to everyone, thanks for hanging in. It looks like we've rounded the bend. So long-term chronic pain is absolutely miserable. How other people can get through it is beyond me. Fortunately, friends and family, and especially Jody, helped get me through this. And I wanted to say thank you to all of you as well, because you've come along with me on this ride. You haven't ditched the channel. You've been part of the channel. You're still commenting, asking questions, and it's I'm really grateful to have the audience that I do have. By the way, just a couple of days ago, we passed 12,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, that may seem small compared to other channels, and it is, but we're a little different than other drone channels as well. I want to focus more on beginners. I want to focus more on construction progression work and other interesting job types like that. And I'm going to continue sharing it with you. This year, 2024, yeah, it sucked, and I did not get everything done I wanted to. As a matter of fact, today I'm sitting down and I'm going to start working out how 3D Vista really works. A year ago, I also promised to get more into 3D Vista, and I just couldn't do it. By the way, just to let you know, so when I was dealing with that chronic pain, I couldn't sit like this for more than 10 or 15 minutes. Absolutely excruciating pain. Now here we are, December, a year later, and I'm able to manage that pain, and it's been receding. So, and I also want to apologize to anyone that I was short with this year. Had a lot of people still wanting to get together, to chat, to meet up at places, and all these things. I just couldn't do them at the time. It took way too much out of me, and it made me feel a little less friendly. So I do apologize to everyone for that. I'm always happy to answer questions if I can, and I think I've proven that over the years on this channel. But yeah, 2024 was absolutely a mess, and I'm looking forward to 2025 like you wouldn't believe. So stay tuned to the channel. By the way, we're also still doing our holiday sale for our 18 class bundle at 50% off. So if you want to check classes.azdrone.net, the coupon code for the 18 classes is all caps, Black Friday 2024. Pretty simple. And to those of you who pointed out to me that the sign-up system wasn't working on Teachable for a couple days, thank you for letting me know about it. Teachable didn't even send anything out about it, but they did have a trouble ticket in their system about the issue. They just didn't notify anyone. And bad timing during the holidays when a lot of us are selling our classes at deep discounts for you guys. So sorry about that too. All right, everybody, I'm going to go start tinkering around with 3D Vista because yesterday we got a bunch of 360 images, and I want to assemble them into a project and work through the project with you. So stay tuned for that. We should be seeing some more. And we'll see that I can still sit in a chair now, which is just awesome. By the way, I have not driven my Nissan Titan since December 15th. So it's going to be interesting getting back on the road. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the near future. Be good. Have a great holiday season with your family and friends. and we'll be talking about 2025 in no time.